Hello everyone, welcome to the Spark Your Learn initiative. I'm Lakshit Pant, your Spark Your trainer for today's this workshop, and I have been doing Spark Your since 2 years, and it was a quite fascinating journey for me because Spark Your has been amazing for me. So those who are very new to, so hello Aditya, hello Dipanshu, everyone, hello Pranav, Akash, so many folks are here, Arjun, Anshu. So hello everyone, I'm Lakshit Pant. Today, I'll walk you through what Spark looks like, what is augmented realities, and some basic terms. Not jumping off to the directly to the augmented reality because it will. I'm not going to explain you the theoretical part. I'll just quickly try to explain you the right hands-on thing, which will really help you out to kickstart your journey with the Spark here. So the question comes like, what is the Spark here? Hi Gaurav, hi Rohan. So the question comes, what is the Spark and why you should learn it? So Sparker is a tool by Meta, Facebook formerly. So it's an official tool by Meta, and it is used to make Instagram filters. So every filter that you see over Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, every filter, every face filter, whatever filter you see over there, every filter is built using the Spark AR. So Spark AR is an augmented reality filter which helps you to connect with the virtual world. Now it's something like it helps you to turn your imagination into reality. You can just play with your creativity. You can just make a bunch of things with your creativity, and you can just turn your ideas into the real world, into a real virtual world. So this is all about the Spark here, a little bit introductory thing. Now, in order to get started with, so I'll just quickly share my screen. So I hope my screen is visible to you all. So perfect. So this is my screen. Okay, voice. Okay, okay. So now the first question comes like how you can just get started with this Spark and what are the tools that are available. So and how to get what are the specifications required to get started with this Spark AR. So what you have to do is just basically search for the Spark AR download, and you can just simply search. Those who haven't downloaded Spark AR in their laptop, you can just simply search for Spark AR download and just simply click on this link, that is sparkar.facebook.com. So as I mentioned earlier, Spark AR is a part of Facebook family of apps, and it is hello, good morning, Pearl Gaming. Yeah, so you can make different games also using the Spark AR. Just this person's name reminded me of that. This is totally up to your choice. You can be present, and suppose if you are playing a BGMI or maybe a Fortnite game, you can just be present in the real time scenario. You can just give a headshot to someone. You can just feel those experience in a real time manner through these augmented reality and virtual reality thing. This is the power of augmented reality, and you must have seen the real time examples that a Lenskart is using. So suppose Lenskart is checking your face, detecting like what face will suit your what specs will suit your face best, and there are a bunch of other brands also like Nike virtual shoes you can try, Myntra you can just put some virtual clothes on your body, and there are multiple brands who are working with this Spark here, who are working with the augmented reality specifically. And you must have heard about this term metaverse. I hope you must have heard this about this term metaverse, because metaverse is something that is future. And even Meta itself is also giving a lots of emphasis to the metaverse. Why? Because they are just building what we can say a closed environment where people can just do a bunch of unimaginable things using the metaverse. So I was just telling about the Spark here. You can just simply click on the download button, and after clicking on this download button, Spark here will start downloading for you. Now there are some prerequisites. So the prerequisites. So Spark here is not compatible with Linux users. So those who are having Linux in their laptops or their systems, you may dual boot your system, or if you are using any something like Ubuntu or ParaOS or something like this, Debian supported, you can just choose remote desktop connections using the cloud servers also. This is totally your choice, right? Now there, so for Windows users, you can just simply click on download and just install it in your laptop. Same goes with the iOS users. It's available for Mac users also. Now the question comes like, so if I just show you what are the benefits of getting started with this Spark here. So the first most benefit of the Spark here is the brand building that you can generate with the Spark here. Next is a great future, and last, maybe last, you can say that is the most, people, it's the most important thing. That is something in the revenue purpose, you can generate a really good amount of money using with the help of Spark here. So the question comes how. Now I was telling you about the brand building. So if I'll just quickly show you this. So this is the number. that you can see over your screen. So these type of number you can just, so from last 28 days I have been traveling to all those cities giving some workshop like this as I'm giving it today in your college. So you can see in last 28 days I have made all these basic filters where I'm just chasing someone like a squeeze effect, Hulk face, all these basic effects where I'm teaching how to make your first Instagram effect to people. And even in those AR creations, I'm getting this much reach, like 196.9K, approximately 197K people has opened my AR filters. So this kind of, opens or impressions, you can just, this kind of, reach you can get when it comes to Spark. Yeah, so everyone who is using, who is having Instagram or Facebook in their phone, everyone can use it. It doesn't matter where they live. They live in Africa, Antarctica, USA, wherever they live in any part of the globe, they can use your AR effect. Suppose you have made one AR effect, your friends can use it, your family can use it, someone in US, UK, Canada, wherever they are, they can use it using that link that you will provide. Now, quickly getting started with this Spark here. So I'll just quickly show you how to. So after installing it, what you have to do, just open your Spark Studio. Now, those who are having Spark Studio in their laptops, I highly encourage, please open your Spark Studio, and this is what Spark Studio looks like. If it is asking you to sign in, so please sign in using your Facebook ID. So for Spark purpose for augmented reality with the Facebook, you need to have a Facebook ID. So those who are not having Facebook ID, I'll highly suggest you can just quickly make a new Facebook ID. Or if your Facebook ID haven't been in use for a quite long, then you might face some issues. Or if you have forgotten your password, please reset your password and log in through your Facebook ID. Okay. So now if you will see, there are a bunch of things in this Spark workspace. And if in between, if anyone gets any doubts, hey Sahil, hey there. So if in between anyone gets any doubts or queries, please let me know in the comment section. I'd be very happy to take up your doubts, right? So this is what Sparkia workspace looks like. And if you will see, there are a bunch of things over here like this blank project card, sharing effect. So now you can see there are two logos over here, that is Instagram and Facebook. So sharing effect means like where you want people to use your effect. So you can just share it on Facebook, you can just share it on Instagram. Your effect could be visible on Facebook or Instagram. Now if you will see, something is written over here, that is template. Now what is this templates, and this is what we are going to use today. Now what is the templates and why these templates are here? So Facebook has been very beginner friendly. They have created Spark, they have designed Spark in such a manner that every beginner should could feel very easy to get started with. बहुत आसान सा लगे हर एक इंसान को Spark से काम करना. Facebook has designed Spark in such a way. Now if you will see why these templates are here. So in generic terms, template means something, some resources maybe that has been provided to you in order to make your process smoother. So Facebook has been always trying to make this Spark your learning journey of for the beginners to very smooth here. So that's what I'm also trying to make do today. So if you will see, there are a bunch of templates here. All these are Spark your effects. So suppose after this today, I'll teach you how to make one Spark your filter. I'll teach you how to publish it so that we can build an environment around it. I can make a craze around it. So you can just later you can just work upon your creativity, work upon your skills, and you can just brush up this Spark your augmented reality thing later. Okay. Now, so if you will get some idea like I want to create that filter. So how you will create this? So you can just simply go to any templates, check for it if any template is available or not. So today what we are going to do, guys, please open your Spark Studio and just scroll down a little bit. Okay, if you will scroll down, you will see this template, that is face distortion. You will see face distortion template. Now what we are going to do, so what this face distortion means, I'll show you in a bit. So this will distort your face in such a manner like you can scale your eyes, it can scale your mouth, face size or something like this. I can just simply click on this face distortion and you can see now. Okay. And if anyone faces any doubt, any query, yes. Okay. Hey, hello Arti, hello Siddharth, good morning. So, okay, I hope my screen is visible. So if you will see, okay. So what I will do, there are a couple of things that I just wanted to explain to you all. Okay, now if you will see, this is what we call a real-time simulator. This is a real-time simulator where you can suppose if you are building some Spark effects, you can just try and test out those filters like what you have created. Okay, you can just try and test like how it's looking on your face, how it's looking on the face of other person. So this is the real-time simulator that has been provided to you. Now the face distortion template comes, so something like this. So if you will see, this is the face distortion template, guys. And if you will see here, it is just changing my face, something like this. So I can just, maybe I can, maybe increase this eye scale, something like this. You can just increase the size of your mouth like this. You can just distort your face in different manners. So this is the beauty of the spark here. You can just, perform some incredible activities with the help of the spark here. Now you can see, this is how you can just distort your face. So you can see what it has done to my face. So this is also spark here filter. This is also augmented reality filter. You can just make something like this, play with your creativity, do something, making. So this is simple how you can just make a spark here filter. This is it about the spark filter. So what you have to do is simply simply open your Spark Studio. Okay, and after opening the Spark Studio, just scroll down a little bit. You will see a face distortion template. You have to open that face distortion template, and you can just, in your right hand side in the properties panel. So in the right hand side where I'm just decreasing these toggles. This is, excuse me. Okay, sorry. This is a properties panel. If you will see, so in the properties panel, I'm changing the properties of my eyes, my face. So it is just detecting my face, and on the basis of that, it is just playing with my face. Now the question comes: I have made this filter in my laptop. How I will make it public for everyone? Just, make it something like, how you can use it. How, suppose if I can just pick, how Harsh can use it, how Lalit can use it, how Siddhant can use it, but I have just created. So there is a very basic thing: you need to publish it somewhere. Now, how to publish it? Now, in order to publish your Spark FX, so those who are having laptops with them, those who are using laptops. So I have heard, like, not all of you are using your laptops. Some of you are in your college labs also. So what you can do, you can just go to this test on a device option. Okay. In okay. In left hand side, in the side view panel, you will be able to see this test on a device. So if I'll just show you this, I can just show you with the help of a magnifier. Okay. Now, if you will see in the left hand side, here you will see there is a button called test on a device. This is for only those people who are not having their laptops. Mark my word, ये step सिर्फ उनके लिए है जिनके पास laptops नहीं है. जिनके पास laptop है वो ये वाला step skip करेंगे. Okay, please skip this step. Those who are not having their laptops. Okay, those who are having laptops. So जिनके पास laptop नहीं है, जो computer labs में है, please click on the test on a device option. Now, as soon as we'll click on the test on a device option, you have to click on Facebook. So if it is showing to you, अगर वहां पे आपको Facebook या Instagram में से कुछ भी दिखा रहा है, you have to click on that. Suppose for you it may be, आपके लिए सिर्फ Facebook हो सकता है या फिर आपके लिए सिर्फ Instagram हो सकता है. So if anything, you can just click on anyone. I'm just clicking on Facebook. Okay. Now let's wait for a minute. Okay. Let's wait for a minute. It is uploading on the Spark Hub. Okay. You have to wait for a second. It will give you a link. Just wait for a second, let it complete. And for those who are showing it Instagram, you can just click on the send button in front of the Instagram. So this is how simply you can just click on these links. This step was only for those who are not having their laptops with them. Okay, those who are using their systems, the college labs. आपको Facebook से login करना है, Facebook के send पे click करना है. If you will see, you will get this kind of notifications. So you will also get, what you have to do is open your Facebook in your phone now. आपको अपने फोन पर Facebook या Instagram ओपन करना है. जिसने Instagram पे क्लिक किया है वो Instagram ओपन करे, जिसने Facebook पे क्लिक किया है वो Facebook पे क्लिक करे. Okay. Now if you will see, you will get a notification something like this. Like this. your the effect preview of your dot spark studio. You can just click on this notification that you are getting, and you have to wait for this thing to load. Now you can just try it on your face. So suppose I'm just trying it on my face, and you have to record a demo video of yourself like this. See, this is what I have created using the Sparkia today. So you have to record a video using your Sparkia effect, and you can just simply record a video like this. You have to record a demo video. Okay, now what you have to do is okay, you have to save it and you have to send this video to your system that you are using. आपको क्या करना है? I'm repeating the steps again. After done with all this Sparkia thing, आपको test on a device option पे click करना है, which is right here in the left hand side of your screen. You just have to click on this test on a device option. Then what you have to do, click on this, click on Facebook, Instagram, जो भी आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है उस पर क्लिक कीजिए. You will get a notification on your Facebook or Instagram. आपको Facebook पे और जो जिसने Instagram पे क्लिक किया उसे इस तरीके से Instagram पे notification आ जाएगी. So if I'll just show you, if I will just show you this, you will get something this kind of also like. Yeah, so if I'll just click on this one, now click on continue. Now same thing, I have to record a demo video of myself. Okay, you have to record a demo video of yourself. This is how you have to record a demo video and just share that video to your computer through WhatsApp app maybe, or you can just you use WhatsApp app, or you can just mail it to your through your system. So you have to send that video to your computer. Okay, and now this step is for those who are using their laptops. Everyone who is using their laptops, what you have to do is, okay, everyone who is using their laptops, what you have to do after this step, after making this effect, what you have to do, click on the publish button. So everyone, so this is for everyone. This is for everyone. So जिनके पास लैपटॉप है वो यहाँ पर रिकॉर्ड वीडियो पे क्लिक करेंगे. ओके, जिनके पास लैपटॉप है वो यहाँ पर रिकॉर्ड वीडियो पे क्लिक करेंगे. यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड अ डेमो वीडियो ऑफ योरसेल्फ लाइक दिस. अपने एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करें, लेट इट प्रिपेयर एंड यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन सेव. Now because those who are using college systems, you can't record a video. That's why I have told you how to record a demo video from your phone. Okay, so this is the difference. Now just click on the save and click on upload button. Now as soon as you will click on the upload button, you will see something like this bar that is filling up, and you have to wait this bar to get completely filled until it's get completely filled. Then what you have to do is you have to simply open the it will just directly open a Sparkia hub for you, where you have to, maybe some has to log into your Sparkia hub. Okay, so if anyone has any doubt here, please let me know in the comment section, guys. So there are no doubts in the comment section, so I hope you are doing really well. So if someone has any doubt, we'll be coming to your labs also, help you out there also. So you will see something like this will happen to you, something like this maybe. Yes, so Sparkia hub will open in front of you. Now what you can do, you have to give a unique name to your filter. So I will just give a unique name to my filter, like maybe something like Dracula. This is also a name, means this could be a name. Now what you have to do, close everything right here. Close every यहाँ पे close कर दी, right? Now the next step is leave everything for default. The third is go to the categories option and choose selfie category. Go to the category option and choose the selfie and appearance category. So category is something like what type of filter you have created. This is what category really means. And now you can just simply click on the submit button. You can just simply, okay, Aman, if you have no face distortion filter, so but just wait for a while. I'll be coming to your lab and I'll help you out. So those who are So those who are not having the distortion template filter, you can just, okay, so maybe, so there are some more templates that you can use. So either you can use a face decoration or a depth color overlay. So if a face decoration or, so Aman, if you are not having this on face distortion template, you can just choose between any of these two templates that I have shared over here. Okay. Now if you will see, now my effect is now my effect is published right here. If you will see, now my effect is in review and now it's published. So this is how easy you can just publish your filter. Now the only thing that you have to keep in your mind, so for this workshop, so this is all about the Spark, and you can just make in fraction of second you can make a Spark filter. Now for this workshop, we have a meta certification for you. So you can just, this is the Google form link that you can use. So you have to fill this Google form, right? So I'll just share this link to you all in the comment section. Just click on this link. So this is the link that you have to open. This is the Google form you have to open. So you can just fill the name, your last name, and your gender, your email, your contact number, something like this, your college name, your, so now it is about the Facebook profile URL, like how to get this Facebook profile URL. So for the Facebook profile URL, you have to just search for the facebook.com. आपको facebook.com search करना है, and as soon as you will search for this facebook.com, you will see something like this. You have to click on the accounts option. You have to click on the accounts option, okay, like this. In the accounts option, you have to click on your name. आपको अपने name पर click करना है, something like this. You have to click on your name and click this link in the URL bar. वो जो link आ रही है आपको उसको click करना है and click on this link, copy this link and paste it right here like this. उस link को copy करना है, paste it in the Facebook file URL. Now for the effect URL. So this is the most important step. How to get this effect URL? आपको अपने Spark हब पे जाना है. There will be option here called share. यहाँ पे एक share करके option होगा. आपको share पे click करना है and click on this link and paste it here. Okay, I'm sorry. So paste it here in the effect URL. So this is the URL you have to paste. Now it is asking for effect ID and owner ID. So again you have to go to Spark Hub. आपको 3 dots पे click करना है. Click on copy effect ID. Paste it in the Google form. Again the same thing. Click on the 3 dots. Click on the copy owner ID and paste it in the owner ID form. And just date of submission for today and just submit your filter and that's it. You are done with today's workshop. You will be getting a meta certificate for this. So this is all about the Spark and this is how simply you can make a Spark filter and get to start your journey with the augmented reality and all these things. So you can make some amazing, super amazing creations with the Spark and this is simply how you can just get started with this pure Spark journey. Now we have some time left with right here. So if anyone has any doubt or anyone is facing any query, please let me know in the comment section. So, okay. So now what I will be doing, we will be coming to your labs. So there I'll be assisting you. So let's meet you on the LeARn labs, guys. So thank you guys for joining in. So if you want to connect with me over LinkedIn, so here is my LinkedIn profile. So you can just connect with me on LinkedIn. So after this workshop, if you have any doubt, any query, you can just text me over LinkedIn anytime. I'd be very happy to take up your doubts if you. Okay, so this is all about me, and so I've just shared my social handles. Those who want to connect with me over LinkedIn, you can just connect with me over Twitter or LinkedIn. I'd be very happy to connect with you all. And there is a Facebook group also that you guys can join. That is my official reskill and meta. So you can just join this Facebook group where there are, so Arjun, we are coming to your labs. So where I'll just help you out how to, figure out, like, let's figure out in your labs also. I'm coming to your labs, guys. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining in. After clicking on notifications, it is not opening. Clicking on the notification, it's not opening. So guys, just wait for a second. I'm coming to your lab. So there we will see what if issues you are getting, right? So thank you guys. Thank you for joining in. And I hope you like this workshop. And let's start your Spark Your journey today. And happy learning and best wishes for your future. Thank you guys. Okay. So yes.